Hey, this is Danny Sexbang. Welcome to the first installment of NSP in Real Life, where we'll occasionally show you snippets of our life on the road as Ninja Sex Party. Whenever we travel, I'm kept up all night by Brian's insane, horrible snoring. This is one of my tales. Also, sorry I recorded this video vertically. I was super exhausted from sleep deprivation. No hate, please. Hello, this is Danny Sexbang, chronicling the unbelievable snoring of Ninja Brian. Okay. It's like getting yelled at by someone's nose. Brian, shut the fuck up. Shut up, Brian. Alright, I'm gonna try to nudge him. Nothing. I'm nudging the shit out of him right now. Okay, it's a little bit later. The story is getting worse. I'm trying. That's Brent over there losing it. Wait, check this out. Like, I swear to God. Wake up, you piece of shit! How is this possible? It's a fucking nightmare! Alright, one more attempt. I'm beating the shit out of this guy.
I want to make like a song.
Oh, good morning, Brian. Hello, sleepyhead.